find x. Okay, this time we're given the surface area and we need to find x, so we're gonna do the reverse. Again, we write down the equation first. You don't get confused. This is the equation for the surface area of cone. Now we can just substitute 75.4, or we can substitute 24 pi into the surface area. The reason why I substituted 24 pi because I can see that things are going to get cancelled out. Makes things a lot more easier. I can do it equal to pi. My radius is 2 squared times 2 squared brackets plus pi times 2 x. This is what we're trying to find out, the x. Okay, so now what we can do is we can divide everything by pi. So we divide everything. So let me just write this like this. We can divide everything by pi. And when we do that, this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out. And it really simplifies things down for us. So our new equation would be 24 equals 4 pi plus 2x. And so I can just make x a subject. So if I want to make x a subject, I have to get rid of the number that's furthest away from me, opposite of bid mass. So that's the addition we have to get rid of first. In order to get rid of the addition, we have to do minus 4 minus 4. These two cancels out and I'm left with 20 equals 2x. And so to get rid of the 2 in front of the x, I need to divide this by 2, divide this by 2. These two cancels out. Now left with 20 divided by 2 gives me 10. So my x is 10 centimeters. X equals 10 centimeters.